I ain't gonna lie, like, I'm about to just make this little preset video and go to sleep. I ain't gonna cap to you. But this is how to sound like Kotta slash R&B, preset sounding video. So I'm gonna start off with the beat. Some slight, some slight. Alright, I'm gonna just say all the vocals, like, I'm gonna say the vocals without the beat.
Body, 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 body. You stood so close, you're hurting me. You chose to go, you chose to leave. Body, 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 body. Girl, don't you go, don't you say I'm in pose. Can't you feel my love? Let me hold you. Body, feel my touch. I'm in pose, I'm in pose. Serena, Serena.
Alright, but yeah, that sounds. I'm gonna say that with the beat though.
Body, 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 body. You stood so close, you're hurting me. You chose to go, you chose to leave. Body, 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 body. Girl, don't you go, don't you say I'm in pose. Can't you feel my love? Let me hold you. Body, feel my touch. I'm in pose, I'm in pose. Serena, Serena. Let this happen again.
Alright, but yeah, I'm gonna drop this preset. I'm gonna drop one of the presets right now, but get the video to 50 likes for it, so I'm asking for it. But I'm gonna take a little nappy nap. I love y'all. I'm gonna make a master. Damn, I'm gonna make a master preset video today, or it's like today when I wake up probably, or tomorrow. But yeah, I love y'all boys, and yeah, I'm out.